Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this Thanksgiving-themed Friends sweatshirt. For the materials, you'll need a sweatshirt, a heat press or iron, dark t-shirt transfer paper, and iron-on vinyl. First, print off the picture on the transfer paper and cut it out. Then cut out the words on the iron-on vinyl. After that, fold the sweatshirt in half so you can find the center. Then peel the backing off the transfer paper and line it up where you want it. Cover it and iron it on. Do the same for the heat transfer vinyl. Peel back the transfer tape. And that's it! I'm so happy with how this turned out and can't wait to wear it for Thanksgiving. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.